Okay guys, this is lesson 6 of unit 1. I'm going to talk about the battleships that we used in World War II. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to choose 4 battleships from this website right here. This website has so many battleships you can choose from. I'm going to go through quick so you can see what it looks like. There's like so many, it's not even funny. It's you can do a U-boat, you can do a whole bunch of different ships here. Whatever ones you want to do, that's fine with me. It doesn't, like I said before, it doesn't matter which ones you choose. And just like the last lesson, I'm going to have you create a Google slide for it. I'm not going to give you a slide limit on this. Just make sure you have enough information about the 4 ships that you have. You can do more than 4. You can do up to, let's say 6. You can do up to 6. The extra 2 will give you extra credit. And then, like in previous lessons, I said that you could do this for extra credit. I actually want you to do this for this lesson. Create a screencast for it. You can go to Screencast-O-Matic. It's very easy to use. The link's right there if you need to use it. Here, I'll take you to it just to show you what it's like. You go to Start Recording. And go to Launch Recorder. I'm using it, so it said it's already open. But what it'll do is launch recorder, then it's going to download. Then something down here is going to ask if you want it to run. Click Run. And then it should pop, and then a little recorder should pop up right here with a big right here. It tells you like your voice and like if you want to use your screen or your webcam on your computer, or if you want to use both. You just have to use the one for the computer screen. That's all you have to use it for. Then it has to be around, well, I'm not going to give you a time limit on that. Just just go through the presentation that you created for the battleships. Okay? We'll see you guys later for the next lesson.